If you fly a DJI drone, you might not know that you can actually customize certain buttons on your controller to do things such as reset your gimbal, open your camera settings, or even turn on and off the auxiliary light. This is super simple to do and can save you a lot of time so you can focus more on flying and capturing awesome shots. Let's find out how. Hey everyone, this is Adam with UAV Coach, and depending on which DJI controller you have, these buttons might be in different areas. I have the DJI RC-1 controller, so my customizable button is this FN button on the left side of the controller. Other controllers, like RC-N3, have C1 and C2 buttons on the back of the controller, plus ways to customize the dial. To program different actions for these buttons, open the DJI Fly app, click the three dots in the top right, click Control, and scroll down to Button Customization. Since I only have one button, DJI has set it up so single-clicking and double-clicking the FN button gives me two different options. For other controllers where you have two separate buttons, you would just program a specific action for each button and the dial if you have that option. And keep in mind that different drones will offer you different choices. I have a DJI Air 2S, so these are the actions I have available. For single pressing the button, I can turn on the toggle map or live view, have nothing happen, turn on the auxiliary LED light, turn on hyperlapse cruise control, recenter the gimbal, put the gimbal in follow or FPV mode, lock or unlock auto exposure, increase or decrease the exposure value, and toggle the camera settings menu. For double pressing the button, I can do everything that single pressing did besides turning on the toggle map or live view. And that's it. These buttons are super easy to customize and can be a great way to do certain actions without having to open up any menus within the app. Let us know in the comments if you've customized these buttons before, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.